Hi guys, welcome to Doom Repairs, and today we have a PS2 FAT. I bought it off the internet, the whole bundle, and we are gonna see if it actually works. The guy said it's no power, so we're gonna take a look. I've got a bunch of stuff here. This is gonna be a fun one. Let's see. It's on. Yeah, it does nothing. So it's a easy, no power. Nothing. So just a quick notice. I don't advise anyone to do work on power supplies, because if they don't have enough experience, these things are really dangerous, because there are some caps and things that can really shock you, and it could be really dangerous. So I don't advise anyone without experience to do any work on power supplies. It would be just easier to replace it. But let's get started. So this power supply, first thing I'm gonna check is actually if the fuse is okay. I'm gonna do that with my multimeter. Just check the probes. So in ohms mode with beeper, so if it beeps, the fuse is fine, as we see. So this is a switching power supply. It has a dual 12 volt DC output. I'm gonna check the output actually. And yes, power supply is done. Now we are gonna do some cleaning, and then we'll assemble the console for testing. resting. Is this on? But still nothing. Well, that's a bit disappointing. Let's see if we get the 12 volts here. No. .8. Nothing. Turn it off, unplug. Maybe I've knocked off the power cable. I actually did knock the power cable. So these kind of cables, flat ones, be really careful. I'm just gonna cover it up. Cable in, power switch on. We got the red. It's on. It's on. Wait, do you hear it? It's on. Wow. So, after assembling the whole console, now is the time for the test, and we're gonna test it like we're gonna go from the output with the SCART cable. Here I have a SCART to HDMI converter. It's a nice little toy to buy. It's really useful to use older devices on new monitors or TVs, so this is a really good toy to buy. Yeah, maybe I'll post a link where to get it. So we're gonna connect this adapter, go to the output, just like this, power on, and hit the on button, and voila. Yeah. This is really exciting. I actually hear a disc. Yeah, we got GTA San Andreas for free. Actually, let's test it. It's loading. Yeah, this was a nice repair actually. I never owned a PS2. Now I have one. It was a really nice repair. I did a lot of research on switching power supplies and how to deal with them, so it was a nice experience for me. And also I did a video on how to revive a PS2 FAT. It's a almost 20 years old console, so it's a retro model. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.